Plays 20 to 70.
Awesome. That's a really good bandwidth too. Oh, good job. That low peak too, man. It's good. You did a good job. Thank you for the demo, man. What was your name?
Tom.
Tom. All right, man. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. And you did some work on this, I can tell. Have you dialed in your port?
Well, a little bit, just by ear.
Yeah.
A little bit of meter, but not much.
Yes, sir. And it's a 6-cylinder.
Last time you were in here, it was a 215 Ford
Yep.
on about 8K.
Yes, sir.
Now it's a 215 6th on just under 5K.
You know, what's your equipment?
2 Sundown ZB5 with SPL Recoons and 2 Orion XTR 4Ks at 1 ohm each.
Okay.
I'm not wired in the dirt.
Yeah. Have you metered it at all?
It does 56.1 at 25 and 56.3.4 at 32.
That's awesome.
Plays 20 to 70.
Awesome. That's a really good bandwidth too. Oh, good job. What was your name?
Tom.
Tom. All right, man. I'm gonna go check out the amps in the back too. Awesome.
It looks a little shitty back there, but
it's all right. At least you don't have to worry about vibration issues, really. Yeah.
it cleaned up. I tried to work on efficiency.
Yeah. How much lithium? 105. Very nice. Thank you very much, man. Awesome.
We'll be here today and tomorrow.
Hello everybody, this is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough we got of Tom's system he showcased at the Summer Showcase Show in 2021, Jackson, Florida area. Really impressive to see him fit this amount of cubic space inside of a car, and he turned 215s into a 6th order enclosure. Really great bandwidth. You'll see a 2-song demo in this video. Really like the layout of the box, making this rear port really small, cone area to port area ratio, and then the front port were optimized for right around that port area that you need for a 6th order. And it's a lot of tuning to make this kind of enclosure work. So you can see how he added a lot of wood around the port to kind of fine tune it. Anybody that works with bandpass enclosures such as these, there is a bottom chamber underneath the subs and a top chamber, which is where this back port is, where all the pressure comes out. That helps the low end response for that rear port. And then the front, you kind of have to dial it in. So I didn't find out what these amplifiers were, if they were strapped or if they were gain matched, but I'm just going to assume they were gain matched at 1 ohm each. And anybody looking at doing these cooling amplifier fans, I put this Amazon link in the description where you can buy them at. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button with the bell on for daily car audio videos, and enjoy. Thank you very much, man. Awesome.
We'll be here today and tomorrow.
My gun in. Got the hook by the DJ revolt.
Yeah, I'll get one more.
$20 and he let me bring my gun in. Tryna save him for the judging. I handle all day at work, I'm just trying to get my cousin. How you doing? What's your name? What's your sign, girl? Oh, you got a man? We won't tell a man. If you got a problem, you want something, then check out the hook while the DJ revolves.
That low peak too, man. It's windy. You did a good job. Thank you for the demo, man. What was your name?
Tom.
Tom. All right, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.